I'm being told by Gordon here, it is 0.08. Thank you so much. So then is there somebody who can give me the quotient? When we divide the two, when we divide this and this, what do we get at the end of the day? When we divide the two, what do we get at the end of the day? I'm being given a figure of 318.75. I'm being given a figure of 318.75 like this is the answer I'm looking for. So instead of having so many issues here, this is the figure that I should bring here as the cash flow of year number 4 to infinity. So year number 4, remember the growth rate is 2%, but the cash flow is this 318.75 like that. Is that 318.75 like that? And then remember the PV will remain the same because the cost of capital is still 10%. So year number 1, correct. Year number 2, correct. Year number 3, correct. But how about now the PV? How about the PV for this year 4 to infinity? Year 4 to infinity. Remember, I've been able to lump it together and I brought it here like a lump sum amount. What do you think in this case here, Will? What do you think would be the PV for this infinity amount? Drop down. I like what David is telling me. Drop down. So for the infinity, you simply drop down this. You use the immediate predecessor PV. So this PV here for the last year will be used twice. This is the same figure you shall come and use here. 0.75 what here? 13. 0.75, 13. 0.75, 13. You'll get used to this. The most important thing is for you to know that once you've used the provincial of sub formula, you've been able to get a lump sum figure that will bring here as your cash flow. The PV for this cash flow, it will be a drop down. It will be a drop down.